The word Ayurveda is itself a compound word. It's made up of two words called Ayus and Veda. And normally we translate Ayurveda as science of life or knowledge of life. Personally, I don't prefer to use the word science when we refer to Ayurveda, because the word Veda, cannot be actually equated with science. Science is a loaded word, and now, especially in modern times, it has come to be associated with a specific, very limited way of building knowledge. So it is even better to consider Veda as knowledge system. And so generally we can say that Ayurveda is the knowledge of life. But if you want to give it a more modern kind of terminology, Ayurveda really translates as life science. So we cannot equate Ayurveda with medicine. It's very similar to biology. Bios means life, logos means to study, and then if you look at Ayurveda, it's almost more equivalent to biology rather than medicine. And for this reason, there are also some modern thinkers, modern allopathic physicians who have lately got interested in Ayurveda, and they are also beginning to talk about Ayurvedic